Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this crypto wallet, which is Wasabi Wallet. So to get started, in 2025 Wasabi Wallet remain one of the most trusted Bitcoin wallet for users who prioritize privacy. It's a non-custodian open source desktop wallet that routes all traffic through a tool and user advanced privacy features like Wasabi Coin Join to mix your Bitcoin and obscure your transaction history. You fully control your keys, and it more support hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, making it a strong choice for privacy conscious Bitcoin holders. However, Wasabi comes with a trade-off. It's strictly Bitcoin only, has no mobile app, and its interface and privacy tools can be overwhelming for beginners. Being a hot wallet, it also connected to internet, so it's less secure than cold storage option for large amount, and its a back end is temporarily offline, so you can send or receive even though your fund remains safe and recoverable. And here's a very conclusion about this platform. So if you're serious about Bitcoin privacy and willing to learn the ropes, Wasabi is a powerful no cost tool. But if you are a casual user and need a mobile access or a plan to store multiple coins, it may not be the best fit for you. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this crypto wallet. And if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.